Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up some Target Beauty boxes. So let's get in and let's get into the boxes. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up some Target Beauty boxes. This is for the month of February. For those of you who don't know, Target has beauty boxes, but they're not associated with a subscription box, which is totally cool. These are just new boxes that they put out there every month. There's no commitment. So if there's a box that you see on the website that is totally not for you or you don't need it, you can totally just not purchase it and only purchase the ones that you're interested in. So if you haven't, make sure that you watch my video on how to get free Target Beauty boxes. I share how I get these for free. Both of these boxes for this month were totally free. So I definitely want you guys to take advantage of that. It's very easy and it's very simple. So I will have, if you're watching this on my blog, it will be on my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put it up here somewhere, or maybe at the end of the video so you guys can take a look and check that out. Okay, so this month I saw 2 beauty boxes and I definitely was interested in both, so I just said, why not? Heck it, I'll just get them both. Okay, so every Target Beauty box has a different theme. So we're gonna take a look. I can't think of off the top of my head what this thing was, but this had to do with Pucker It Up. I think that's the name of it. So we'll open up this one because it usually does tell you on the package, yeah, Pucker Up. So that's what it says. So every month it gives you a different theme. So this one was all about your lips. So this says, oh, let me just show you before I do that, slow down. This is what the box looks like. So this is super cute. And then when you open it up, it does have the little name of the theme for the month, and then it gives you some more information. So this says the secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender, loving care and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we rounded up our favorite finds that'll keep your palette perfectly kissable. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size version at target.com/beauty box, but I'll have the link underneath the video so you guys can take a look. All right, and then on the other side, with every box you also get a free $3 off $3 off at Target towards beauty purchases of $15 or more. I usually don't honestly. I don't spend the coupons usually, but that's awesome that they put them in the boxes here. So so this is what the box looks like this month. So you guys can kind of take a look, and then let me see what we are seeing inside. So like I said, this one is all about your lips. So the very first thing I see here, which is super cool, this is, let me see, what is the brand here? This is Cooling, okay, so it says it on the back. It's a cooling gel lip mask. So let me just find that and see. Where are you? Okay, so this is from 12 NYC. So it's a perfect pout cooling gel lip mask. It says delivers cool, soothing relief for moisturizing at home spa experience. So it says, for a tip, place it in the fridge for an hour and then put it on for best results, and then use your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products afterwards. So that's super cool. I've never had, I know that they have usually like eye gel masks, but not for the lips. So that's cool, really cool. I'll definitely get use out of that. This is from Dr. Bonnie's. This is Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. So you guys can see that. So this, Dr. Bronner. Sorry, that's a totally different name. So you guys probably saw that faster than I did, but this says rich blend of jojoba, avocado, hemp oils, keep lips soft and smooth. And then you can use this to treat your dry hands or cuticles. So that's good to know if you don't need them for your lips. All right, so the next thing we have here is from Burt's Bees, and this is in the color Peony. This is Lip Shimmer. So that's what that looks like there. And then it says, let me see if that's the right one. Okay, in Peony, so this is enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant rich fruit oils to moisturize. So you guys know basically what a lip shimmer is, but probably there usually is a color to it, but I don't see the way to open. Oh, here, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it, and sorry, I just did a unboxing for Ipsy, so that's what that is there. So let me see if I can, it doesn't have much shimmer to it. It's right here, so not bad. If you kind of just want like a lip shimmer, like light coloring, this is perfect for you. So that is definitely cool. And then the next thing we have here is from, it says Sexy Mother Plucker. All right, so where is that at? Let me see. Okay, so this is from Soap and Glory. So this is lip plumping gloss, so it plumps up. So basically you guys know what plumping lip color is. Let me see if I can grab this and open it up so we can kind of have an idea of what the color is for this one. And let me see if I can open this one up. Okay, so let me see. I do, oh, okay, so this is not a bad color either. Usually I love lip gloss types because it's not a lot. So there you go, it looks like that. And hopefully my hand doesn't plump up because that'll look weird, but I doubt it. All right, so that one says here, basically the plumping gloss glides on lips so soft and look ravishing. Okay, and then the next one we have here is Bold Matte, and this is from Milani, so you guys can see that there. And let me see, Milani, this says hyperpigmented formula provides bold color in just one stroke, up to 8 hours, smudge proof. So let us test that out and see. Oh, this is a pretty color too. Okay, so there you go. That's what that looks like there. Not bad. Definitely a bold color for now. We're in the winter still. I know we're in the spring. Some of us are in the spring mode like I am. Definitely ready to get out of it. Okay, and then this is actually a full-size product. So this is, well, the lipstick, most of these items were full size for your lips, so that was pretty cool because you only paid $7. And then St. Ives lip scrub in the flavor of sweet passion fruit. And then this one, where are you? So this is a vibrant exfoliating scrub, polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. So, and it does have like a fruity scent to it. I'm not gonna use it because this is full size, so that's really good. But it does smell super fruity, so I like it. Okay, so, and then the last but not least, we have Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. So that is there. And then let me see, where are you? Where are you? Okay, so this is single-use lip mask, moisturizing and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients. So this is cool. I've never used a lip mask, and if you follow me on the channel, you guys know I love face masks, but I've never used a lip mask before. So we're gonna do a quick recap just to see what came in that plucker up. So we have the face mask, we have our lipstick from Milani, we have our St. Ives lip scrub, and then we have from Dr. Bronner, we have lip balm, and we have our plumping lipstick, so that's cool. Then we have our lip shimmer from Burt's Bees, and then we have our super huge lipstick. So we have that. All right, so that was cool. That was a really, really good box, again, for $7. And then the next box we have here, let me see what the theme was for this one. Oh yeah, this one was self-love. So this one says, no SOS, no problem. February may be the month of romance, but you don't need to boo things to feel love. Instead, indulge yourself with these hand-picked products that'll give you the dose of TLC that you definitely deserve. Okay, so this one, different tissue. So let's see what is inside of this one. You guys see there, okay? And before everything drops out, and again, with this box, you do get a $3 off coupon, so you can use that as you desire. So the very first thing I see here, again, is a cooling gel eye pad. So this is different. This is for your eyes. So where are you? This is deliver instant relief to your eyes. And again, a tip is to put this in the fridge for it says 30 minutes before you put it on. So that is really good. So you put that under your eyes, here, so that all the puffiness goes away from your eye. Okay, so that's one thing. And then the next thing we have is from Mask Bar. This is a silver foil. So let me see if I can find out what this one is. So this is a peel off mask enriched with natural ingredients, helps brighten and soften for a smooth looking glow. So this is a mask. And then the next thing we have here is from Uni. This is a California aromatherapy mist. And one thing I do love is if it's liquid, they will tape it off for you so it doesn't spill all over the place. I've noticed that with my beauty boxes. So this one here is, where are you? So this, wait, where are you? Aromatherapy. So where is aromatherapy? Okay, here it is. So this says, this is My Ohm World's Calming Aromatherapy Body Mist. You guys can see that better. An aromatherapy body mist made with 100% natural essential oils helps you relax, refresh, and reset. So that's what that one is. And then the next one we have is from Pacifica. This is Island Vanilla Perfumed Hair and Mist, Body Mist. So that's what that looks like there. And then inspired by the luscious Tahitian Islands, this alcohol-free mist blends sultry vanilla with notes of honey, jasmine, and touch of fruitiness to leave you smelling beautiful from head to toe. So that's cool. Definitely gonna try that out, especially now in the summer. And then the next item we have here is from Village Naturals Therapy. It says aches and pain muscle relief. So this is mineral bath soak. We'll definitely use this. I put these to the side when it's like a muscle relief. I put these to the side until someone is like in pain. My daughter recently has been working out, so her legs have been in pain, so she can definitely use that. And then we have from K-Bea, we have a Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Face Mask. And then you guys know what a face mask, usually have to leave this on your face anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Making sure this is for your face. Yeah, this is for your face. Okay, so there you go. Usually with Target beauty boxes, this is the brand that they tend to give you. So, and I've used them before, no problems with that. And then last but not least, we have from Aveeno. And what is Aveeno? This is a moisturizing, there you go. Moisturizing, it says Kika Balm. And this is moisture rich triple oat complex, helps shield skin from winter's drying effects. So this is perfect if you have anyone, and we've tried this, my daughter and my son, sometimes in the winter they do have like spots of eczema, which is really, really dry skin, and something like this would be perfect. Usually your doctors will tell you to put, and I am not a doctor, but they usually say to find things that have oatmeal in it, so this would be perfect for it. And then let me take a smell and just to see if it has like a fragrance, and it does have the seal on it, which is perfect. And it doesn't have a scent. It's probably fragrance free. Usually things like this are fragrance free. So this is perfect for anyone who suffers from like really dry skin. So let us do a recap and see what came in the other box. So we have the Aveeno Skin Cream. We have our face mask. We have our muscle relief bath. And then we have our 2 scents here. We have our calming mist and we have our body and hair mist. And then we have another mask. And then last but not least, we have the eye cooling gels. So what do you guys think of these 2 beauty boxes? So if you had to get one, which one would be more interesting for you? They were both interesting for me. And plus you can't even beat the price. So I love the lip plucker, plucker up, and the self-care. That's why it was hard for me to make a choice. But if you had to just choose one, definitely let me know in the comment section below which one would you choose if you only had to choose one. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.